This is not only one of the largest, but unquestionably one of the most beautiful mansions in Dubai, specifically located in Jumeirah, Umm Al Sheif. It's an exclusive listing with an asking price of $29 million. It stands as one of the most exclusive mansions in one of the luxurious areas. That's why we've selected it as the premiere episode of our YouTube channel. This mansion features a built-up area of 25,000 square foot, built on a plot of 15,000 square foot, 5 bedrooms, 14 high-end bathrooms. You are currently located on the most desirable properties in Dubai. It's an iconic figure, it's more than a home. Before we explore the interiors, I would also like to extend my gratitude to the owner who has a passion for creating a masterpiece every 2 years. And this stunning property is his latest creation. I would like to express my appreciation to him for allowing us to tour this extraordinary home. As we step into the grand foyer, we are greeted by an expansive space. The travertine floor exudes luxury. An exquisite art installation serves as the centerpiece, the captivating centerpiece of this lounge, adding a touch of beauty and sophistication. Above, we have the chandeliers, grace the space, setting the tone for the opulence that defines every corner of this residence. Over here, we have the formal dining table from Timothy Alton. This beautiful table currently accommodating 16 people, and these chairs from Kuala Living, top brand indeed. Coming to the main seating area, I love every detail. I will try my best to mention as much as possible. What I love about this home is the scale. The scale is really impressive. We have 2 main seating area, lavish ones, on every side, flanked by travertine everywhere. It's worth to mention that we have 10,000 square meter from travertine, adding a touch of elegance, beauty, and durability for your home all over the place. Coming to this main seating area, we can see elegant chandelier. I have to mention one thing, that this was installed piece by piece, and that is absolutely not easy with all these mirrored ceilings. You gotta be sure that every mirror is still, in place. The mirrored ceiling we have also, I want to emphasize on the scale of this home. We have 5,000 square foot of mirrored ceiling between the main lounge and the guest lounge. We will come back to the guest lounge later in the video.